superstars. Today we'll be talking about four businesses for women. These businesses I'll be mentioning are unique to women because it caters to the needs of women. But if you're a guy who has a sweet tongue and the ability to convince, then you can try these businesses and make loads and loads of money from it. Alright, without taking your time, let's get started. Number one on the list is ready to wear clothes for women. Maternity wears for women. We're in that era where people do lots of skimpy clothes, mostly for slim people, for people who are sleek and all that. It leaves the women who are pregnant and need maternity wears hanging. I'm yet to see a business line that caters to maternity wears strictly for pregnant women. Okay, so that's where you come in. You can come up with a clothing line for pregnant women. And you know what? There are so many pregnant women who want to look good, look beautiful, but they do not know where and how to get beautiful clothes that cater to their needs. So, your ability to make maternity wears with very beautiful, flashy colors unique to pregnant women. Okay, I know there are lots of boo-boo out there, but believe me, they have very boring colors, very serious colors. A pregnant woman needs very bright, exciting, and happy colors. So your ability to come up with very bright, exciting, and beautiful colors of ready-to-wear clothes for maternity wears is what will make you stand out in this business. So all you need to do is go to a place like a bar, go and select very beautiful fabrics, and then make them into free sizes. And then you go to hospitals and find out the days for their maternity. Okay, they have days they go for maternity inspection and all that, examination and all that. Find out the days they go for those maternity days. Okay, they call it antenatal. Okay, find out the days they go for antenatal in different hospitals. Have a list of different hospitals and their antenatal days, and then pay them visits. Right after their antenatal, if you are very well positioned outside, flaunting these beautiful wares, believe me, my superstars, you'll make nothing less than 5 to 10 sales in a day. Some will even get your contacts and will reach out to you later. Okay, my superstars. And if you're able to go to like 10 hospitals in a week or 5 hospitals in a week, believe me, you'll make good money from selling maternity wears. And with time, you can venture into the social media space and advertise, and then you see how customers will keep pouring down on you like rain. All right, number 2 on the list is tummy wrap. Okay, we're in these days where lots of pregnant women want to get their shape back after they've given birth. We all know that tummy wraps help ladies to tie their tummy and get their shapes back. I know how many women I have seen who use tummy wraps and were able to achieve an almost perfect body after delivery. So all you need to do is go to a commercial city like Aba. Okay, there is nothing you can't get from Aba. Even if you want a semi-human being, believe me, you can get it from Aba. Okay, all you need to do is go with a sample and show it to someone. Please, where can I get this? And before you know it, they'll direct you to a place where they can sew tummy wraps for you, or where you can buy wholesale and then you can go and resell. Okay, my superstars, you can show up on the same antenatal days in different hospitals with your tummy wraps. Educate women on the need and the importance of a tummy wrap after giving birth. So many women believe that they could use wrapper to tie, the same old school method, but try and make them know that things have changed, that they have to go with the trends, okay? They have to upgrade. They go for the latest way of achieving their perfect shape. Okay, show them how to use it. Show them, if you have testimonials of people who have used it, show it to them. And believe me, my superstars, you'll be surprised at the number of people that will buy tummy wraps from you. All right, my superstars. Okay, Next on the list is breast pump. Okay, if you're on social media, you will notice that so many women do not breastfeed naturally. Okay, they use a breast pump to pump their milk ahead of time and then put it in bottles, sterilized bottles or sterilized wraps, and then refrigerate it. Okay, this way they can go about their business, they can go about their jobs while their baby will feed on this milk they were able to express with the help of a breast pump. Okay, for as long as, okay, some of them have stashes of breast milk that can last the baby for about 2-3 days refrigerated in the refrigerator. Okay, so all you need to do is find out where you can get this breast pump at a cheap rate. Okay, you could go to Lagos, you could find out how you could import it from China, en bloc, in bulk. Okay, you could find out where you can get it at a cheaper rate and then go to antenatal. Okay, that is your target market. Our target market in here is the pregnant women. We are trying to solve problems for the pregnant women, and from there we make money. You know, the only way you can make money is by solving a problem. So in all the things I have mentioned and I'm yet to mention, you are trying to solve problems that caters to the need of a pregnant woman. Okay, so all you need to do is go for antenatal, show up during antenatal, and then educate them on the need for breast pump for working class moms, for women who are doing businesses. Okay, you can take permission from the matron and educate them on the need to make life softer and easier for them by using breast pumps. Okay, my superstars, and then you go ahead and sell your thing. That is how it is. And before you know it, lots of people will order. Those who do not have the money there and then can book, order later and buy from you. Okay, my superstars. So number 4 on our meanwhile, my superstars, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button. Thank you. And if you have a question, leave it in the comment section. All right, let's continue. Number 4 on my list is Pampers. Okay, we all know that children use Pampers. We Lots of babies use Pampers, and every day children keep coming into the world. Lots of children, lots of babies keep coming to the world, and so many children use Pampers from when they are born to 1 year old. So there's a very large market for Pampers, or what is popularly known as diapers. Okay, by starting a going into sales of Pampers, you can make good money from it. But I'm not talking of selling one, okay? I'm talking of being a wholesaler of diapers. Okay, once upon a time, I met a brand when they were coming out with when they were bringing out their Pampers into the market. They gave people opportunities to become distributors of their Pampers brand. And the requirements then was that you will need to have like 1 million naira to become a distributor of Pampers brand. Okay, so you can go meet other Pampers brands and find out how much it takes to become their major distributor. And from there, you get this Pampers. And as usual, okay, it's always best you find out a brand that is coming in newly into the market. But before you invest, you have to get a sample and test it. Test it, even if it means begging a mother to try it out and then give you a feedback so you know if the Pampers is good or not. All right, so like that brand, they gave me a sample and I gave it to someone who tried it out and they said it was good. But I didn't have 1 million as at then to invest in that business. So that was how I lost my opportunity to become a distributor in that Pampers brand. So all you need to do is find out a Pampers brand that is new or not well known, whose products are fantastic and good. And then you go as usual to antenatal, and all you do is sacrifice one pack. You give each mother a Pampers to go and try at home and drop your contact. If by the time they try out Pampers and realize that it is good, the quality is excellent, and the cost is good, they'll reach out to you and buy Pampers from you. And before you know it, you are a major distributor of that new Pampers. Okay, my superstars. All right. Have you seen that all the businesses I mentioned in this video are unique to pregnant women and cater to the needs of pregnant women? So our target market is the pregnant women. So by solving their needs, you will be able to make money and make good money from it. Alright, my superstars, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Have you subscribed? Please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you, my superstars.